first tactical booth, and we're going to try out the first tactical gloves. They say that they maintain all dexterity for magazine changes, weapon manipulation. So we got Travis fitted out here with a set, and we're going to go up and film him shoot a couple of weapons here, and we'll see how he likes them. All right, he's going to shoot the XD.
That's the 2.0.
I'm not. So how do you like the feel of those gloves?
They're very tactile. I mean, you can really good grip. You feel all the controls, really nice.
So good protection, but thin enough you can manipulate.
Yeah, they're super thin, really thin on the back, but nice leather, nice grip. So I really like them a lot. But yeah, you can easily feel everything. So first tactical gloves.